Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit that like button and the subscribe button to stay up to date on all of our videos. And by hitting that like button, it actually gives the channel a little bit more exposure on YouTube. Make sure to check out all of our videos from the racing to the theme park videos such as Disney World and Universal Studios. We also have playlists for the Ballew Thunder Garage series and our racing videos, and we also have Universal Studios playlists and Disney World playlists. You can go through there and see all the videos we've updated, and we upload a new video every week. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This video is probably going to be the shortest one out of all 7, but this is the last day of our family vacation in 2020, and on day 7 we went to Disney World EPCOT. And we're supposed to fly out that afternoon and go back to Oklahoma. So it was a short day at EPCOT. Once we got inside, we made our way through Mexico and made our way to Norway because we wanted to ride the Frozen ride. That was the only ride we were really worried about riding. And so it was like an hour wait. We hopped in line for it, and Madison enjoyed that ride. Maylee liked it too, and it was a pretty fun ride. But we got our picture on the ride, and then once we got done with that, we made our way out into Norway and actually started looking around. Took some pictures. And then we made our way down to China. And we got a picture with Mulan. And I didn't know this, but I guess Mulan was one of Madison's favorite characters, so she actually smiled for these pictures. If you've never been to EPCOT, it's just a big circle, and you make your way around to all these different countries and see all the different, lifestyles and whatever goes on over there in those countries. So once we made it through China, we made our way over to Germany, did some more walking around, and made our way through Germany over to Italy. And once we got done with Italy, we walked over to the American Adventure, walked through there, looked at everything, and then we went to Japan. We stopped and got some snacks along the walkway, and Japan was actually pretty fun. We took some pictures over there, and we made our way through Japan over to Morocco, took a couple more pictures. And one of the places we were trying to get to was France, because they had meet and greets over there that we wanted to do. And this was before they had the Remy's Adventure, and so we couldn't ride a ride over there. But we wanted to see if we could meet some characters or anything like that. But once we got done over in France, we kind of made our way over to United Kingdom, where we had a meet and greet with Alice in Wonderland. And then we saw Winnie the Pooh. And I don't know what happened at this point, but my mom, my sister, my wife, and Maylee went a separate direction than me and Madison. But me and Madison made our way up to the Imagination area, which has a couple attractions. And one thing that we wanted to do was meet Wreck-It Ralph and Vanellope. And so me and Madison got in line, and I think the rest of the family was supposed to meet us there, but they got lost somewhere. And so me and Madison were the only ones that got pictures with Wreck-It Ralph or Vanellope. And Madison really, she didn't smile for these when she was shy. But now, Wreck-It Ralph comes on TV and she just has to watch Wreck-It Ralph. I was like, so now if we go back in a couple years, hopefully Wreck-It Ralph's there and she can meet him again. But once we got done with Wreck-It Ralph, we actually met back up with the rest of the family and started making our way back to the entrance of EPCOT because it was getting closer to noon and we needed to leave and head to the airport. So we only got to spend like 3 or 4 hours inside of EPCOT. You know, we did get to do a couple meet and greets. Got to meet Winnie the Pooh, Alice in Wonderland, Mulan, Wreck-It Ralph, and then we did get to ride the Frozen ride. So next time we go, we'll probably spend more than just a couple hours at EPCOT, but it wasn't the main theme park we wanted to go to. So next time whenever we go, we'll probably spend an actual full day there and enjoy it and not rush through everything. But once we got done with the EPCOT, got to the parking lot and took our rental car to the airport, that was pretty much the whole vacation. It was nice to come home, but that whole week was a lot of fun. It was stressful, but it was a lot of fun. And I look forward to doing it again in a couple years. So, thanks for watching my video, guys. I think that's going to do it for the 2020 family vacation we took. But I do have news. My wife and I are actually going to take another trip down to Universal. And we're going to stay for a week in February. And we're going to try and get more footage, more video content. And we're going to go live a couple times while we're down at Universal Studios. So if you follow me on Instagram, or if you follow us on YouTube, we're going to go live on Instagram, we'll go live on YouTube, and hopefully you guys can check those videos out and chat with us while we're live. And I'll have a lot more videos coming out in the next year of our trip down to Universal. Probably do some more ride reviews, do some restaurant reviews, and hopefully get some content out there that you people would like to watch. So anyways, that's going to pretty much do it for us. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Make sure to follow us on Facebook at Ballew Thunder. You can join our Discord at Ballew Family Entertainment. Follow us on Instagram at Ballew Family Entertainment and Ballew Thunder. You can follow me on Twitch at JD Ballew and on Twitter at Ballew_Jordan. And make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Ballew Family Entertainment. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed our video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Have a good one.